Welcome to Zip Tie Garage, where I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm going to turn this two-wheel drive Toyota into a wheeler. I'm going to bring you guys along while I do it. Not the best view, but it'll do. I'm going to take the center console out, get the shifter out, get the rest of the carpeting out. Man, I don't feel bad. I'm going to have to cut the tunnel out of this thing. But, you know, wheeler. So let's get ripping on that. Don't mind the mess over there. That's for the shop. Oh, be right back. All the dad noises. Oh, come on. Oh, they're too big? Ha! Alright, got the right size. Someone might want that. You never know. There's the carpeting. Get this out of here. Oh. There we go. Nice. Switch back over. There we go. You just gotta stick with me, guys. I know the audio and the video might not be the best. I'm still trying to figure all this out. But I figured this would be a fun build documentary. Something I've never done before, but it'd be cool to see the progress. Be able to watch it from the beginning to the end. Oh yeah, look at that. What are you for here? Oh, I see. But you know when you're in park and stuff. There we go. Yeah, someone might want that too. Yeah, this is clean. Clean, clean. You guys want some chapstick? Yeah, I don't think so. That's pretty much it for the interior. Bear! Come here, Bubba! Oh, here's the bear. My big boy, and Ellie, of course, can't forget. Hi, Bubba. How are you? Yes. Oh, what's that? Oh, giving them kisses too, huh? Want to say hi, Ellie? Want to say hi, honey? Oh, smudging the screen, smudging the lens. All right. Oh, what? Oh, what? Why aren't you just the cutest? Well, I think that will do it for today. I don't really have much more to do right now. Video also would be pretty boring. I mean, this was a pretty boring video. Sorry about that, but you know, it's something. Welcome back. Today we're going to do a bit of cutting. Oh yeah. We're cutting out cross member, cutting out all the two-wheel drive motor mounts and braces and suspension, and just having a good old time. But let's get started. I need my saws on. Well, I just realized that I don't have enough jack stands, so I'll be back. I'm gonna head to the store and get some jack stands. Alright, now we're back. Got some new jack stands. Finally. Took a while, but now we are going to get the front of the truck all put up, ready to go, so I can cut the front suspension off. Let's begin cutting stuff. First, I'm going to tackle the cross member, and then I will tackle the front suspension because they're kind of connected, but cross member seems easier to get to at the moment. Yeah. All right. Some danger discs. Those are always fun. See if another one explodes in my face. Oh. I'm gonna have fun. Oh. I popped a breaker, so we're back. We're having fun. We're rigging. Alright, I might get in your guys' way for a second. What is underneath me? Oh, that thing. A big guy in a tiny area. Well, hello. Who are you guys over there? I'm sorry. This is bad lighting. This only ran off of 110. Man, you guys can't see nothing. This lighting is terrible. I know it's a little bit flickery, but it's the only light I got. Cut that guy off. And she's free. What is going on here? We've got a cop piece. We don't need that where we're going. There we go. Crossmember out. Let's go see what this guy's up to. What'd you say?
Look at me, I'm at the venti pan.
Oh yeah? Let's take a look at what you did to your dash in here.
It's straight now.
Oh, you call that straight?
Yeah, it's just like a camper factory.
Is that...
Well, yeah, there's no bolts back in it. Why would I put bolts back in it? We're scrapping it.
It was a beautiful dash.
No, it wasn't.
You know?
It was. You're fooling yourself.
Who you fooling?
You?
You ain't fooling nobody.
It's okay, tough guy.
Tough guy. You see this hair?
Tough guy, eh?
That ain't no tough guy.
Tough guy, eh?
You're the tough guy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I know that video was just all over the place, but my first one, I'm trying. We got, as you can see, Toyota behind me. Got the crossmember out in that video. Sorry the lighting was a little bad. Forgot to do an outro, so that's why I'm doing it now. But right now, it sits. All the front end's taken out. That'll be in a different video. Crossmember's out. Just gotta clean up the frame a little bit. I'll make another video about that. Got the wiring and stuff all kind of taken care of. But as for right now, it's sitting pretty good. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you like and subscribe and have a good day.